Epic help here. Today I'm going to show you how I used ChatGPT AI chatbot to help me fix my car. I'll share my experience of using the chatbot and how it helped me save time and money. So if you're looking for an easier and faster way to fix your car, this video is for you. Okay, so we have a P0010 code. Check engine light is on. I went online looking for an answer for fix code P0010 and learned that it could be the Camshaft Position Acutator Solenoid. So how could I test the actuator solenoid and find out if it is bad? I could not find normal ohms range until I used ChatGPT. Look at the answer the chatbot gave me. Step 1. Check the wiring. I did that and my wiring looks good. Step 2. Test the solenoid with a multimeter to test the resistance. The normal range is between 8 and 12 ohms. This was the key information I needed to help me fix this problem. If you want to use ChatGPT for yourself, I've included a link in the description. You will need to create an account and log in before you can ask questions. Okay, so the first thing you want to do to get to this, take off your oil cap so you can remove the cover. So this we're going to test first. Let's test them. Put your cap back on so you don't get dirt inside the engine. To remove the electrical clips, I use needle nose pliers. When you squeeze the clip, pull up with your other hand and the electrical connector should come right off. Also notice the colors on the electrical connectors so you will put them back on correctly. Now loosen the 10mm bolts holding in the solenoids. I suggest you clean this area with an air hose to remove any excess dust before you remove the solenoids. So just take off these 10mm bolts. They come off really easy, as you can see. To remove the actuator solenoid, I used a pair of groove joint pliers. I turned the solenoid left and right and then pulled straight up. To test the resistance on your actuator solenoid, you want to turn your multimeter to 200 ohms. According to ChatGPT, the range should be between 8 and 12 ohms. You place the multimeter probes on the two contacts that attach to your electrical connector. For my new actuator solenoid, I got the reading of 11.8 ohms, which is in range. I also tested my old solenoid and got the ohm reading of 13.0. This is not in range, so I know the old solenoid was bad. Go straight down in and just tighten them up. Just make it snug, that's it. You don't need to over tighten it. Okay, after you tighten it, remember the gray one here goes with the gray, purple with the black. And it goes on just like that. You should hear a snap. If you don't hear a snap, just push down, make sure that it's actually on. Okay, done. Take this cap back off after you're done with your job. Once you get your cover back on, then put your cap back on for your oil. Oil cap on. Right after I finished putting the new solenoids in, I started my car and the check engine light was off. I never disconnected the battery, which would have cleared my codes. This problem was fixed. ChatGPT helped me do the repair myself, saving me time and money. I highly recommend using ChatGPT for mechanical advice. I've included a link in the description and you will need to create an account before you can use ChatGPT. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching Epic Help.